Do you want search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile? So you can enable or disable this. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, to enable or disable this, okay, you'll have to just go to Facebook. Here in Facebook homepage, okay, you can see the menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, okay, you can see the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy, okay, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the how people find and contact you. Okay, you can tap this and now you can see here the do you want to search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile, and the do you want to search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile is disable or turn off. So if you want to enable this or turn on this, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. So if this turn on, when this setting is on, search engine may link to your profile and their results. So if you want to turn off this, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. So when this setting is off, search engine will stop linking to your profile, but this may take some time. Your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name. And I decide to set into on these settings. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled the do you want search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.